Ugitiri ni mugacirithie guothe bururi-ini na gutiri undu onoriku ungicungiriria uhaguku wa thayo ugwitikirio. Ino ni miario ya minister wa ihinda wa ugitiri wa thi-ini dagitari Fred Matiang'i akihe mwihoko akenya riri turaroka muthi wa githurano.
So we look forward to a peaceful election. We look forward to a peaceful historic day tomorrow. And I would like to hasten to add that the country is safe. No one should be unduly alarmed.
Matiang'i ni athiete na mbere na kuuga ati nimekurutithania wira na kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC gutigirira wikia wa kura ndunatharario kana kumira muhingisha ona umwe.
As government, we do not conduct elections. It's a responsibility of the IEBC to conduct elections. Our role is simply to facilitate the IEBC to conduct elections. We're very grateful to the IEBC, and we would like to say that to the farthest extent possible, they have been effective in the manner in which they have sought and obtained our support where they needed it. And we will continue to facilitate them. We are confident in those fellow citizens who run that institution, and we look forward to them conducting a free and fair election tomorrow. We look forward to coming to work on Wednesday morning. That's why only tomorrow is gazetted.
Ihinda riu nioritie akenya gukana rumirira watho na mitaratara iria igathikitwo ni kamiti iyo akiuga gutire undu wagirirwo ni kuguoyohia muingi na njira o yothe.
My fellow Kenyans, there is no need for you to worry about anything. Our country is safe. You are free, protected by the Constitution, to live, do business, engage with your fellow Kenyans wherever you please and wherever you find convenient to you. It's a wonderful gift we have in our country. We are blessed to have this country, and the Lord has been kind and gracious to us.
Matiang'i ni ateanirie muhuhu ati ni kurekereirio maabitha makiria a ugitiri gukira uria gutanyitwo.
Security system we have in place, our police and security sector players are trained and prepared to protect property and citizens of this country. There is no training on the part of our officers, there is no intention on the part of government to use any force or to be violent against our people.
Miario ino yukite dagika nini tu thutha wa mwahu wa NASA kuuga ati ni marekwira thirikari ya Jubilee iri na mubango wa gukahoria mashini cia wikia wa kura niguo mathoge githurano.
We have information that the Jubilee administration plans to switch off electronic voter identification devices in all their strongholds at 12 noon tomorrow. This will then give way to pure manual voting and stuffing of the ballot in the excuse that the systems have failed. This information was relayed by none other than the Inspector General of Police to a relative.
Orere akenya maratara mathaa manini tu mbere ya githurano kinene gitabanio. Minister wa ihinda riri wa ugitiri wa thi-ini dagitari Fred Matiang'i ni erire akenya ugitiri wa kuigana hindi ya githurano kinene na kiria kirigirirwo gutabanio muthenya wa rucio. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwihaki wa Ndogo.